I'm recording it.
Don't get me in the video.
I'm not. Yezzy, what are you doing, boy?
You're watching the bird. That bird's watching him too. He's very focused.
You see the birdie? Huh?
He's very focused on the bird. Don't you dare start climbing that cage.
And that keeps the phone on Gizzy.
Don't you dare start climbing that cage. You just start climbing that cage, you're getting popped.
Hey, Ben, what's with all the pens? It's hard to explain. Just need the ball? Yeah, well...
If you watch the birds, or don't climb the cage.
Gizzy!
Here you go.
He's literally not even blinking.
Okay, that's just bad.
No, he's focused on the bird. Oh.
Oh, here's the action.
Don't you dare. No. Don't you dare. Gizzy. Gizmo. Oh, no. No. We're not climbing the cage. No climbing the cage. No pouncing on the cage either. What are you doing?
Guys, this is so hilarious. Our kitty's curious about the bird that we just got.
Oh, it's my ship. They've come to take you home.
But this is your home. You can't.
No.
I cut your face out of the picture, so all they see is Gizzy. What do you mean, no?
Really? Are you sure?
Yes, it's okay. I'm just glad you came to Rock Island.
Oh, come here.
He hits
I'm
it.
gonna miss you. Maybe you can come with me.
No, this is my home.
The bird we got is a cockatiel.
Wait. Here. It's a present for you.
Stop hissing. He's not gonna hurt you.
Yeah, this kitty is too curious.
Stop hissing at him. He's not gonna hurt you. I got his paws.
He's just a curious little kitty.
Everything.
See, you gotta see bird.
And we got the TV on.
See, you smell bird. See, you got the bird. Now let's go. Let's take you somewhere else now. No more birds for the day. Don't look at me like that.